Welcome to the DJI O4 Ground Station tutorial series. This video will show you how to connect an IP camera to the station. By connecting an IP camera, you can monitor the surrounding environment and device status at deployment sites of DJI Dock 3 or the ground station, overseeing aircraft parking and securing Dock 3. Before connecting the IP camera, we recommend completing these indoor preparations first. Ensure the camera can be powered via POV. DJI O4 Ground Station does not supply power, so a post switch or router is required. If the camera requires DC power, prepare an additional DC power supply. Use the manufacturer's configuration tool to connect to the camera, activate it, and complete initialization. And memorize the administrator account and password. Enable DHCP for the camera, or configure a local IP based on deployment needs, ensuring it is on the same local network as the station's WAN port. Identify the camera's IP address, and set your computer to the same network segment. Configure the settings via the configuration tool or access the camera directly via an IP browser, ensuring the ONVIF protocol and related permissions are enabled. In the configuration tool or web page, configure the camera's stream parameters, ensuring it is set to H.264. If the camera's network conditions are poor, we recommend lowering its resolution to maintain a smooth image. Based on your needs, enable motion detection and occlusion alerts. Set DJI O4 Ground Station to Gateway mode. In Gateway mode, the station and camera connection topology is as follows. Confirm the camera deployment location, set up the mounting pole, and ensure the network cable reaches the equipment room. Deploy a POG switch or router in the equipment room. Once it is connected to the network, connect the IP camera to the POG switch. DJI O4 Ground Station is also powered and networked via this POG switch. Use a USB-C to USB-C cable to connect to the station. In the DJI Enterprise app, add and deploy the camera device, entering the administrator account and password to verify. Once the device is connected, you can view the connected camera in DJI Flight Hub 2 and preview the footage to fine-tune the camera's position. Test whether camera PTZ control and occlusion alerts are working. Follow the manufacturer's requirements to complete waterproofing and grounding. The IP camera connection setup is complete. Thanks for watching.